Look at them all. What is this? It looks kind of spooky. Oh, this bridge is wibble wobbly. It's a water llama.
Look at that guy.
Breakfast time, Garnet Hill Lodge, Sunday morning. I just can't get over how beautiful this place is. I want to show the family. So what are we doing today?
We're going to the Wild Center.
And what's at the Wild Center?
The Wild Walk and animals and exhibits and stuff like that.
Okay.
And in the winter, a Winter Wonderland lunch.
Okay. Let's see what we got.
Yeah.
We're here at the Wild Walk. Kate's doing a big old smile. The Wild Center. I want to meet the otters and go to the creature feature. Tell me about it.
Well, there's this treetop walk and it looks like they have like a spider web made of rope, so I don't want to bring a lot of stuff because I want to crawl all up on it.
Okay. Whoa. Is that all made of sticks?
Yeah, it said it's made out of sugar maple and I forgot what else.
I want to see inside one. Whoa. Cool. Stickworks.
That's where we're going.
The tree walk? Is that what it's called?
Wild Walk.
Okay.
Sounds
That's a big swing. Can you swing on it? You're gonna break it. What is that, a bobcat? Chasing a rabbit? It's the circle of life. That's tall. Yeah. A whole new dimension of survival. Oh boy. Are we supposed to survive or something? A hyperbird.
Oh, that's interesting.
Oh, that's bird poop. It's high up. You got super ears? Is it loud when I talk? What?
Just trying to listen to nature.
Oh, sorry, but the super ears are cool.
There's a dragonfly on the dragonfly.
Oh, dragonfly on the dragonfly. Cool. That's a tamarack tree? Why do we call them larches? Oh, there's a big Swiss Army knife in there. This is pretty tall. Okay, it's getting taller.
Woodpecker.
Oh yeah, we heard a pileated woodpecker this morning. It was like thud, 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 thud. I was like,
You and Jeff?
yeah, me and Jeff. Look at all the birds' nests.
This one has an egg in it.
Oh my gosh.
Come on, take a picture.
What is this? It looks kind of spooky. Oh, this bridge is wibble wobbly. It looks kind of spooky in here.
We can go down the left.
Which way should we go?
Yeah, we can go back up too. This is the little temporary.
Let's go down first. It's Kate. She's in the bear den. Look at that big old bear. Look, it's Jackson as a bear.
This is not
Bear den.
This is not necessary. It's metal. Nice.
Swiss Army bird.
It's a pileated woodpecker.
I heard one of those this
Yeah.
morning. They're really loud.
I feel like this is the loudest. This is actually really
Jam out. Show me how it's done. The view from the eagle's nest. You're so high up. It's like a big spider web. What are you doing?
trying to see the fly. I don't know where the fly is. Oh, this is the fly.
Oh, dang. Is she gonna figure it out?
Got a hankering for some maple candy right now.
Maple candy? What we got in here?
Thanks for maple syrup.
Sap collecting, 1901. It's glacial. What? Whales swim in the Adirondacks? Jackson's gonna be so jealous because we got to touch a cloud. He's like, I want to touch a cloud. Jackson would love this. It's a planet. You can change to different things. Let's see, what are they going to go to next? Oh, Earth. Back in the 80s. Let's see what's next. Ooh, molten Earth. It's a flesh-eating beetle. You gotta be kidding me. That's pretty dark, actually.
Look at the flies. They tried to get out.
I don't like that.
You don't?
No. It's an otter.
Yeah, we have to do that with some of our animals too. Some of them have like pinky shoes, so we need to, prepare it in a way that.
Otter battle.
That's the big one. Look at that big guy. He's like, don't. I'm smacking around. Now it's 2 against 1.
Look at his cute little head.
Yeah, they're pretty cute.
It's a water llama.
Look at that guy.
Bye. Oh, he's got a toy. Yo, the trouts.
brook trout.
Brook trout? I knew that. But I appreciate you referring my knowledge. I did have a slight amount of doubt. Brook trout. Beautiful. Look at them all. So many trouts. An affiliated woodpecker. What kind of turtle is that? So painted turtle, spotted turtle. It's a wood duck. How do they keep him inside?
I don't know. Maybe he had an injury or something.
Yeah, maybe he's being rehabbed.
And that turtle right next to it.
Yeah.
Ew, that turtle looks like he's sleeping pretty hard. Look at his little legs.
There's a turtle coming to visit us too. Hello, Mr. Turtle. That's cool though.
I wanted to like peck that turtle and make sure he's alive.
Peregrine falcon.
Have a wing in.
Just like Sam Gribley had.
That's right.
Yeah. Cool.